The Windows installation media is required. If you don't have one, our guide on how to create a bootable Windows 10 USB will help you. Insert the installation media and reboot your device. When prompted, press any key to boot from DVD USB. If the prompt doesn't show up, we have a guide on how to boot from a USB media. Now from the Windows Installer menu, go for Startup Repair and follow the on-screen prompts to fix your Windows 10 system. The data will not be erased as the OS system will be restored to a stable state. This procedure will also repair the registry. Go to Start, type CMD, and select Run as Administrator. In the CMD window, type the script below and hit Enter. SFC/Scano. If the scan process gets stuck, learn how to fix CHKDSK issue. Click the Start button and select Settings. Click on System, select Recovery, and click on Get Started. Select Reset this PC section, and then choose Keep My Files. Follow the on-screen instructions. Go to Start and launch Command Prompt as Administrator. Type the following command and hit Enter. DISM/online/cleanup image/scan health wait until the scan process completes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.